surviving units. We need more time to rig the charges on the droid factory. You've got to push those clankers back! We're all that's left, sir. You can count on us. Those Seps will restart the droid foundries if we let them. Retake the comms post and call for help. It wouldn't hurt to check the vehicle depot. Something had to survive. We've got a really beat-up tank here. Reactivate that ATTE. Damaged or not, better than nothing. All right, boys, contact the Republic. Do whatever you have to do. Tell them we need help, now! Comms relay will take some massaging to work. Rerouting power to boost the signal. Almost there. Urgent, request assistance. These coordinates.
Affirmative, ground team. Reinforcements en route.
Nicely done. Head to the HTE. Reactivation initiated.
We're close! We fight! We win!
The HTE's damage is making it difficult. Only another minute or so. That's more like it. Finally, a little firepower. The Geonosians told the droids what we're up to. Use the HTE to take them down, or we're gonna have company.
For the honor of our brothers!
Destroy the transport before they can retake the droid factory.
He's coming! Wait for a grenade!
Standard fire's not gonna cut it. We've gotta soften the ships up. Try to get creative with the HTE's heavy cannon.
For the Republic! For the Clone Army!
Turret ready. Their shields are down. Opening fire on the hot cell. Just a little more firepower should detonate the fuel cells. They destroyed the tank. Found a squad with a few HTEs to spare, but don't waste them because they're all we've got till reinforcements arrive. They lost their shields. Transport attack underway. The defenses are back up. Now, they're unprotected. The hard cells defenses have been restored. One transport scrapped, one to go. It's working. Don't let up on the transport. We need to do a better job of disrupting those defenses. Walker down. Repeat. Walker down. Another walker. Land and Dooku is here. Their shields are down. We lost our window with the transports. You sure know how to make a mess! Ally on site! Never seen droids so scared! Here comes the cavalry!
We're seeing unmanned turbo lasers close to the core ship. I could get gunnery crews inbound if someone were to make a space for them.
It's your show, troopers! Secure the LZ for our gun crews. All right. Control ships preparing for liftoff. Pick up the pace.
The walkers are gone.
Sure, powered up.
I think I see how to get this.
Flying in another HTE. Droid command ship prepping for evac. Stop them! Turret ready. Bounty hunter boss just joined the enemy. triggers till your fingers are ready to fall off. Our call has arrived. Be careful, brothers. Better stay with your squad. All right. Facing turret. How to get this done. Right, heading there. Our gunners are almost in position. I've got an idea. It's not every day you stop an arm and destroy a droid factory. Remarkable. Artillery! Fire when ready! Enjoy.